started as a suspicious death investigation is now being described by the Marion County Sheriff's Office as a devastating accident. As West 2's Spencer Tracy reports, 4 people, including 2 children, were found dead inside of an Ocala home.
Just pray for the community and the neighbors and the family.
A quiet Ocala community woke up in shock and heartbreak after a tragic loss inside this home on Banyan Track Way. The Marion County Sheriff's Office say deputies were called just before 10:30 last night for a welfare check. When they entered the home, deputies found 2 adults and 2 children dead inside. Deputies say the family died from carbon monoxide poisoning.
This house has been here maybe 10 years. And I've known several people that lived there, but I never heard of anything other than it was a nice home. So this is new to me. I'm very concerned what's going on or what happened.
The Sheriff's Office tells us there was no foul play suspected, and this was a tragic accident.
Neighbors tell me that this family didn't live here that long, and they're trying to understand how something could happen like this on their street.
My neighbors were real nice. Hispanic family who lived here about 10 months. They were real nice people, and we had a good neighborly relationship.
For neighbors, this loss is hard-hitting.
Our community is going to be sad, and we were up last night, some of the neighbors and myself, and we were saddened by the situation and really hurt because this is a loving community and we enjoy each other.
Covering Marion County in Ocala, Spencer Tracy, West 2 News.
The Marion County Sheriff's Office wants to remind families that carbon monoxide is colorless and odorless and can quickly become deadly. As you just saw, they urge everyone to make sure that carbon monoxide detectors are working inside of their homes.